Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Xbox Live or Xbox Game Pass subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to stop recurring payments and manage your account properly. Step 1. Go to the Xbox website and sign in with your Microsoft account credentials that are linked to your Xbox Live subscription. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select My Microsoft Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section to view all your active Microsoft subscriptions, including Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Game Pass. Step 4. Find your Xbox Live or Game Pass subscription in the list and click on Manage next to it to view subscription details and options. Step 5. Click on Cancel Subscription or Turn off Recurring Billing, depending on what option is available for your specific subscription type. Step 6. Microsoft may present you with reasons to stay or special offers. If you still want to cancel, select a cancellation reason from the options provided. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation by following the on-screen prompts. Note that you'll continue to have access to Xbox Live benefits until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Microsoft verifying that your Xbox Live subscription has been canceled. Keep this email for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.